Unlocking the charm. Understanding quick romantic stint. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a phrase that's as intriguing as it is romantic. Quick romantic stint. Whether you're a language learner, a literary enthusiast, or simply curious, this video is tailored just for you. Let's explore together what this phrase means, its usage, and how it can add a sprinkle of romance to our conversations and narratives. Stay tuned. First things first, let's dissect quick romantic stint to understand its components. The word quick refers to something happening in a short amount of time. It's straightforward and implies brevity. Romantic relates to feelings of love and affection, often characterized by emotional or physical intimacy. Stint, however, might be less familiar. It means a fixed or limited period of time spent doing a particular job or activity. When we piece these words together, the phrase describes a brief period of romantic involvement or relationship. Now that we know what each word means, let's talk about how and when to use this phrase. A quick romantic stint can refer to a short-lived romance, perhaps a summer love, a fleeting connection during a vacation, or a brief relationship that was intense but didn't last long. It's often used to reminisce about past relationships with a touch of nostalgia or to describe a phase in one's life with a focus on the transient nature of some romantic experiences. To better grasp this concept, let's look at some examples. Their quick romantic stint in Paris was unforgettable, but they knew it wasn't meant to last. Looking back, I cherish our quick romantic stint. It was a brief but beautiful chapter in my life. They had a quick romantic stint after meeting at the concert, but soon realized they were better off as friends. These sentences showcase how the phrase can be used to evoke a sense of brief yet impactful romantic encounters. And there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the phrase, quick romantic stint. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, usage, and how it can be woven into your conversations and stories to describe those fleeting moments of romance we sometimes experience. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its power to express the myriad facets of human emotions and connections, no matter how brief they may be. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more intriguing aspects of the English language with you. Until next time, keep learning and keep loving the journey.